All right, Campoholics, this is what started it. We bought this Salem forestriver 2 years ago at this show. We got the 27RE, the exact model is this. This one's at just under 23,000. This was our very first camper we owned. So I'll take you on in this. The forestriver 27RE, Salem 27RE. The only difference is we had recliners here and the couch was against the window. But we love the color scheme in this, the grays. It was a nice unit. Got an RV fridge here, ever chill, that's nice. I haven't heard that product yet. 3-burner stove, hood, microwave. I love the flooring. I love this big window because when we pulled up or back up to a lake or a river or something like that, you had this grand view of what was behind you. And that was pretty cool. So they changed this up. This is new.
So you take this, pops out. I just looked. This pops out like this. And then it goes into these.
Oh, so it just flips over.
This comes totally out, and then you put the back here.
Right.
So then you have a full.
So you got a couch slash dinette.
But think about, for us, we only use one side to begin with.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool. Panoramic windows, they say, package. Well, it's surround sound and all that stuff. It's this is Wi-Fi, pre-wired for Wi-Fi, which is an upgrade from what we had in 2017 now.
But they still have
Nice,
blackout shades we never got.
nice shower.
So here's this whole thing here. This whole wall is empty space.
Power fans. Get you in here. Look at the sink. There's your sink. Nice little back splash to it, or tile looking. There's your medicine cabinet. There's your towel or medicine cabinet there. Storage under there. It's a little tight in here, but hey, it works.
Michael, did we have this big space?
TV backer here for your TV. There's your bed. You got side tables. And look, you got ports there, designated Cpap storage. Look at that, you can put your Cpaps on both sides of that. Tablet compatible digital USB port charging stations there. A little ward closet there. You got Cpap storage over there. Look.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this comes with a closet. So this is new from when we had it. So you got a closet here, and behind here you can take that panel off and work on your plumbing if you have any issues.
We didn't have that.
Yep.
So I bet you they shortened the bathroom.
They did.
Yes, they did. Because we had a neo-angle shower.
Right. Here's your control panel.
So they did. But look, did we have this much storage? I don't remember that.
No.
I don't think we did. I'm not sure what they shortened, but we did not have that big of a counter space.
I don't.
Oh, you know why? We had double fridge.
Oh yes, correct. Our fridge was bigger,
So
yes.
we had double fridge, so we were over. Okay, I was gonna say, we never had that much.
Coleman Mach ACs. Good.
It's so bright in here.
Yes, that's why we loved it. It felt open, bright. I mean, lots of light colors. So it's got an open feeling, especially with these.
Homey, no camper feel.
Yep, especially with these windows. And you come up to a picturesque location, you can pull your shades up and have almost, well, you got a 180 view of wherever you're camping.
Yeah, we really loved it.
Yep, this was a great unit. I liked it. Again, this is the forestriver Salem 27 RE. 2,300 pound hitch capacity, 955 hitch weight. There's your gray water tank, the fresh water tank sizes. Yep. Got outdoor speakers. You got a port here to plug into. Pass-through storage. These steps flip up, the solid steps. This is another great feature, an awning attached to the slide to bring your awning out further into your campsite. Pretty cool. They put, yeah, that's new, strong arms. They have an outdoor shower out back.
Here. Of course, the fires on the sides have them.
Cable connection here, satellite hook up there. So if you're looking for an economical camper, this
Couples
is
camper.
couples camper. Yep, this is a great one. Yep, we thoroughly enjoyed this one. All right.